welcome to Mrs. Patterson's Homework Help. Today we are on Chapter 5, Lesson 6 for Math. And what we're going to be working on today is problem solving and how we can problem solve by making a table. And I like making tables because it's another way to show or illustrate what you're doing with the numbers. Again, we're going to go over the homework helper here so we can kind of get an idea of what's going on. Okay, so the cafeteria serves breakfast to 48 students each morning. That's kind of important. In a week of 5 school days, how many times is breakfast served? So we kind of understand that I know that there's 48 students, they're served breakfast each morning for 5 days, so that's basically 48 times 5. And what they've done to make a table to show this is day 1 is 48, day 2 is 96. What have they done? They've just doubled 48. And then 144, they tripled it. And 192, quadrupled it. And then the final day, they've multiplied it times 5. Each of these is a multiplication problem. But you're adding 48 each time. This is what we would call a running total. So you get to see each day how it's growing. It's growing by 1 more each day. And that is how we can solve our problem of showing 48 times 5. Okay, so let's look at this first problem down here. Mrs. Shelley's class is reading The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe. If they read 16 pages every week, how many pages can they read in 5 weeks? Solve the problem by making a table. So we know we have 5 weeks, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first week is 16 pages. If they're reading 16 pages each week, by the way, that's kind of slow in my book. I would think I'd want to read it a little faster than that. Then it's going to grow by 16 each day because we're multiplying it by 1 more digit. So you can do it this way. You can say 16 times 2, and that would be 32. 16 times 3, it's 48. Or you could even do it each day that you get your total, just add another 16 to it. You can do it that way as well. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 4, 5, 6. Any way that makes you able to, and 6, 7, 8. So in 5 weeks, they're going to read 80 pages. If you're not sure, what is 16 times 5? 30, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80. Okay. All right, so now that we've gone over the 2 problems there, they have problems for us to do on the back. And look what they want us to do. They do want us to make a table. So be aware that it's required that you make a table for these questions. And then the last one at least gives you the framework that you can make your own table. If you need to, you can add additional paper or show most of your work over here. Okay. The bonus question today is to make a table to solve 100 times 5.